guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lil. Today we're going to explore making stamps with cardboard. I've been wanting to make videos for you using materials that you already have handy at home and without having to spend on anything. So if you're familiar with my work, you know I love printmaking, so I wanted to experiment by making some stamps with leftover cardboard. For this project, you're going to need cardboard pieces from boxes. Make sure that this cardboard is thick enough because you want your stamp to have a little bit of height. You will also need glue. I used hot glue for this, but you can use any kind of glue you have available. Just make sure that your stamp is completely dry before you try it out. You also need scissors, something to draw the shape of your stamp like a marker, paint, a brush, a cup with clean water, a cloth or a paper towel, and paper. Oh, and if you have some yarn around, that would be great because we're going to experiment also with that. So in order to make your stamp, you're going to use one piece of cardboard for the base and another piece of cardboard for the shape of your stamp. For example, you can see me here playing around with two pieces of box flaps that I cut out, and I really liked the shape of it, so I wanted to see how it looked as a stamp. For the stamp, I cut a few stripes of cardboard and glued them parallel to each other on the base. Just remember when you're making your stamps to make larger and very general shapes. I tried making more detailed stuff like a house shape or a flower, and it did not work out, at least for me. If you have a bit of yarn with you, you can also make a stamp with this. You just need to put a little bit of glue on the cardboard and wrap the yarn around a few times. Just be careful if you're using hot glue and not burn yourself. For this other stamp, I drew a circle, then I cut it in half and then glued both half circles with a little bit of space between each other on a cardboard base. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Before I even do the stamping, I wanted to show you real quick all the stamps that I actually made for this video that did not make the cut because they did not work very well. And it's because cardboard is not that great for small shapes. It's great for big general shapes and it can be a lot of fun. So I just wanted to show you how they look like, but I'm not even going to show you the mess that I made when I was trying to stamp them. To use your stamp, just add paint with your brush, then press down firmly, making sure your paint is not diluted with water or it will damage the cardboard. You can make a lot of different patterns by playing with the direction of your stamp and the colors you use, like this. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I had big expectations with the cardboard stamps, and I was kind of bummed out when I couldn't print the smaller shapes, especially the little houses that I made. So I'm thinking that I will revisit this tutorial pretty soon with other materials like foam sheets that I've used in the past, and those can soak the paint better. They're more long-lasting and versatile for design options. So stay tuned because that video is coming pretty soon. I do want to say though that I like the imperfect finish that the cardboard stamps have on the paper. And it was also a lot of fun using yarn to make a stamp, and I will be definitely making more of those in the future. You can do so many things with your stamps. You can stamp paper to make gift wrapping or gift bags or cards. And you can also stamp fabric like a t-shirt or a canvas bag or a tablecloth. The sky's the limit. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're enjoying my videos and you want to support me, you can do so by subscribing to this channel or by supporting me on my Patreon account, where you will gain access to exclusive content and free monthly goodies. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!